New Mexico Real Estate Principles Workbook, page 63. 3. Regardless of the type of nonprofit group, the management requirements differ. The manager must adjust their thinking to a break-even budget. In some cases, dealing with the nonprofit organization becomes more difficult than the normal investor. 4. It is also possible that rental fees in many of these properties are below the economic rents that prevail in the area. In the typical nonprofit complex, the operating expenses are divided by the number of rental units to arrive at the scheduled rents for the complex. B. Individual owner. 1. The individual owner is a large segment of the market. This segment of the rental market contains the largest number of owners dealing with property managers. Although some of these owners are experienced in owning investment properties, most are not. This creates an increase in the intensity of management on the part of the property manager. Normally, the property manager will spend more time managing for a novice investor than the manager would spend managing for an experienced investor. C. General partnership. 1. Many real property investors choose to own investment property through a partnership. This method is merely an extension of individual ownership, which spreads the risk over a larger group. A partnership is an association of two or more persons who carry on a business for profit as individuals. 2. While there are many advantages to investors in general partnership ownership, the property manager's problem of control and decision making can often arise. In a general partnership, any general partner can act on behalf of the partnership. To minimize conflicts, professional property managers often have the partnership designate one partner for the purpose of communications between the partnership and the property manager. D. Limited partnership. 1. A limited partnership is different in that the organizing partner, the general partner, assumes the risk of the responsibility for the venture. Only the general partner can conduct the partnership's business and make decisions. The property manager normally communicates with only the general partner concerning the management of the property. 2. The limited partner's liability in regard to partnership indebtedness is limited to the day amount of his investment. Because of this, they normally do not have a voice in the day-to-day operation of the partnership. E. Corporation. 1. A corporation is a separate legal entity which has an existence and personality separate from the individuals making up the corporation. The main characteristic of a corporation is that it exists indefinitely. It ceases to exist only when it is properly dissolved. 2. The corporation has the independent capacity to contract and hold title to real property consistent with the powers given in the Articles of Incorporation. It is important to